Green Creation, a guide to upcycle art and crafts, Part 1. In the ever-evolving landscape of contemporary art, upcycle art has emerged as a distinctive and impactful medium that harmoniously blends creativity with sustainability. The rapid growth of this artistic movement necessitates the establishment of comprehensive standards to accommodate its expanding scope and the increasing influx of participating artists engaged in the multifaceted process of creating art from unconventional materials. Guidelines provide a holistic perspective that ensures individual well-being, establishes industry benchmarks, fosters mainstream acceptance, and paves the way for a sustainable long-term future. Key areas such as material selection, safe operations, sustainable manufacturing, green workplace management, community engagement, and ethical professionalism support a healthy and progressive upcycle art industry. Material selection. Choosing responsibly. Upcycle art should emphasize the repurposing and transformation of discarded materials and avoid using new materials whenever possible. For example, buying and turning new plastic disposable spoons into a lamp would not qualify as upcycle art. Be transparent with your audience about whether you are using old or new materials, without misleading them. It is advisable to collect materials from known and legitimate sources, utilize existing materials, explore diverse local resources, and ensure compliance with legal regulations. When it comes to art supplies, maximize their utilization through proper maintenance, reuse, and opt for renewable options. Safety operation. Prioritizing health and the environment. While the materials and creation processes in upcycle art are often diverse and unconventional, safety operations are particularly important. Prioritize safety measures when handling materials and supplies that pose health risks or environmental pollution, such as sharp objects, toxic substances, or harmful chemicals. Avoid using such materials and consider non-toxic alternatives. If necessary, thoroughly clean before use and wear protective gear to prevent injuries and exposure to dangerous operations. Familiarize yourself with tools and equipment through proper training and operate with caution. Be mindful of safe disposal practices, such as segregating waste like toxic solvents and batteries after use. Equip yourself with necessary safety supplies like personal protective equipment, PPE, including gloves, masks, respirators, aprons, or earplugs. Maintain well-stocked first aid kits. Create a safe working environment with proper ventilation and fire safety equipment. Sustainable manufacturing, embracing green processes. Avoid processing methods that generate more waste, particularly non-biodegradable waste, instead of reducing it. Examples include the excessive use of glue guns, resins, spray paints, acrylic framing, and commercially made spare parts. Consider techniques that minimize environmental footprints and reduce excessive, non-recyclable packaging. Green workplace, creating an eco-conscious environment. Transforming your workspace into an eco-friendly haven can significantly enhance sustainable practices in upcycle art creation. Tools and equipment. Maximize the lifespan of tools and equipment through proper maintenance, efficient storage, and inventory management. Energy conservation. Establish your personal artistic characteristic through manual processes. Reduce energy consumption by installing energy-efficient lighting, kilns, and electric appliances. Utilize renewable energy sources such as solar panels. Water conservation. Implement efficient cleaning and reuse strategies to reduce water usage. Air quality. Ensure proper ventilation to address air pollution. Recycling practices. Implement recycling systems and compost organic waste from paper and natural fibers. The emerging upcycle art scope and participating artists demand some standard guidelines to ensure artists' well-being, promote professional development, establish industry benchmarks, foster mainstream acceptance, and pave the way for a sustainable long-term future. In this video, we have discussed technical guidelines for material selection, safety concerns, sustainable production, and green workshops. In the next video, Part 2, we will delve into professional attire, ethical frameworks, and social interactions with artist communities. Stay tuned. UAACS, Upcycle Art and Crafts Society, when creativity meets sustainability.